Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
To whom did Prophet ﷺ ordered to avoid fasting every day and asked to fast alternative days? Their options are option B, Abdullah ibn Amr ibn As radiallahu anhu, or option B, Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu anhu. The right answer is option A, Abdullah ibn Amr ibn As radiallahu anhu. Who was the head of Ansari companions? Your options are option A, Abdullah ibn Hamdullah radiallahu anhu, or option B, Umar radiallahu anhu. The right answer is option A, Abdullah ibn Hamdullah radiallahu anhu. Who was the first child born in Habasha for Muslims? Your options are option A, Abbas radiallahu anhu, or option B, Abdullah ibn Ja'far radiallahu anhu. The right answer is option B, Abdullah ibn Ja'far radiallahu anhu. Who was assisting Bilal radiallahu anhu for adhan? Your options are option A, Abdullah ibn Maktoum radiallahu anhu, or option B, Anas radiallahu anhu. The right answer is option A, Abdullah ibn Maktoum radiallahu anhu. Who was the brother born with Ali radiallahu anhu? Your options are option A, Zayd radiallahu anhu, or option B, Ja'far radiallahu anhu. The right answer is option B, Ja'far radiallahu anhu. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-An'am? Your options are option A, 165, or option B, 105. The right answer is option A, 165. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-A'raf? Your options are option A, 206, or option B, 208. The right answer is option A, 206. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Anfal? Your options are option A, 79, or option B, 75. The right answer is option B, 75. How many ayats are there in Surah At-Tawbah? Your options are option A, 133, or option B, 129. right answer is option B, 129. How many ayats are there in Surah Yunus? Your options are option A, 144, or option B, 109. The right answer is option B, 109.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.